stick around, because if you do this, you'll be the expert in the room with percentages. Well, percent means out of 100. So if I was asking for 100%, that would be all of it. So here I'm asking for 20% of $65. I'm going to begin with 10% because that's easy to figure out. 10% is 10 out of 100, or 1 out of 10, or 1/10. So 10% of $65 is $6.50. Here's why. Determining 1/10 of a number is equivalent to dividing by 10. And when you divide by 10 in a base 10 number system, that's the same thing as moving a decimal point one place to the left. This is getting 10 times smaller. That's dividing by 10. That's the decimal movement. So if I'm trying to figure out 20%, I can just double 650. 6 plus 6 is 12. Half plus half is one more. That's $13. Now here's where it gets interesting. I'm trying to determine 40% of $125. 10% is going to be $12.50. Dividing by 10, 10% is always moves decimal point one place to the left, 10 times less. So now I can just quadruple it or multiply this by 4, which seems hard, but 1250 twice is 25, and then 25 plus 25 is $50. So 40% of 125 is $50. We can figure out 13% of 80 by finding 10% first, which is just 8. And then what I would do is just figure out 1%, which is again 10 times less than 8. So I would divide out 1 power of 10, so I would get 8/10. So I need 3 of those. So 8 plus 8 plus 8, or 8 times 3 is 24. So that's 2 4/10. So 8 plus 2 4/10 is 10 4/10. And so this is a way to do it without a complicated algorithm. Of course, you could ask Siri for the answer. You could get a calculator out. You could, since you've stuck around, I think you know that really I'm just trying to build your mental brain power so you can calculate and do mental math. So have a great day.